Hi guys, like today we are going to push our entire BDD Cucumber framework code to this GitHub repository. Yeah, this is the code BDD test which we created in Twin framework. The same thing we are going to push this entire code to central repository, that is a GitHub repository. So before pushing the code we need to create a repository. So to create a repository we need to just click on this right mark and go to new repository. So if we go to new repository, asking for repository name and description, we need to provide and choose a public, and you need to create a repository. Because already I created a repository, like I'm currently not going to create, I'm using the existing repository which I created. See, this is the repository I created. Yeah, let's go to this project path, and we need this GitHub bash to execute commands, git commands. So we need to select the local folder path. See, this is the project available in my local. So go to properties, so select this BDD test. So this is the thing, just a minute, this is available in backward slashes. We need to type it in forward slashes. So go to GitHub, git bash, and type cd space this path and hit enter. Now it's pointing to the project directory path. So after this, I need to initialize git command. So that command is git space init. Hit enter. Yeah, initialized git repository. See, .git is available. So once after this, I need to establish a connection from my local to GitHub remote. So this is my local project. We'll close this. This is my local project. I need to establish connection from my local to this GitHub repository. Like how to establish a connection. So to establish connection, we need to add this git remote add origin. Okay, we need to go again git bash, and we need to paste here. This command is establish connection from my local to GitHub repository, from my local to here to this GitHub repository. So then only we can able to move, we need to add and commit, right? So this is the command, and just hit enter. Git remote add origin. This is the GitHub link page path, and hit the enter. Okay, yeah, successfully connection is established. So again we need to check for git status. This is the command to give the status. See, these are having target, class path, project, setting, pom.xml. These are the things are the untracked files, guys. These are the untracked files. That's why it's displaying in the red color. So these are the files target, source, test, pom.xml. These are the files. These are untracked files. So after this, I need to add one more command. See, it's also displaying nothing added to commit, but untracked files presents. Now we're going to add and commit. So for adding git command, git space add space dot, git add space dot. It's adding this entire untracked files. Click on enter. Yeah, see, it's added all the files. Yeah, so it's giving some warning. Okay, let it be there. There is no error. Okay, after this, see, just I added, I not committed. After adding also, if you go and cross check here, nothing is displaying, nothing is added in this repository. Once after commit, then we need to push, then only it's displaying in this particular repository area. So again we'll go to the GitHub git bash, then we need to type the command commit git. We need to commit the code. Git, for that git commit -m. Yeah, we need to add some comment, guys, like is some comment that any comments you can able to add it, the related comments. So after committing, just hit enter. Oh, see it's committed all these files, this plugin, node eclipse dot source code, login page, SpiceJet feature file, everything it's committed. Once after committing, you just type again git status to track the files. On branch, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Okay, so you like nothing to commit, working tree is clean. Like it's on the master branch, we committed all the code successfully. Then we need to push it in, push this entire code to master. So that I am git push origin master. See, this is pointing to master now. So that's why git push origin master. We're pushing entire code to the master branch. So hit enter. See, it's starting executing. Wait for some time. See, guys, 100% completed. Object comparison 100%, 84, and see, resolved everything. Now branch is master to master, from master local to master repository, like remote repository. It's pointing. So now if you go back to this repository and just will refresh, and we'll see the code is committed or not. Yeah, see guys, like a minute ago all this code are committed. Like for example, like if you want, you can click on this. Yeah, this is the main pages Java login page. Yeah, login page is there, it's committed. Yeah, after this, like we can cross check everything. Go to the, sorry, not this, already we tested. Test.java, go to runner file and test runner. Yeah, we can able to see the center, like yeah, it's committed successfully. Yeah, go to the step definition. See, even the step definition is same, it's copied end to end. Entire code is now available from my local to, see here also step definition is there. See, this entire code is display is pushed to our GitHub repository. See, it's available here, available with this BDD Cucumber end-to-end framework. Yeah guys, like 2 minutes ago we added entire thing. Yeah, that's all about, like, we, if you want to like clone any project to any of your projects, then just click on this code button and we can just copy this and we can clone. Yeah, that's all about this GitHub repository and Git code. Yeah, thank you guys.